Ugu Festival snaps Nyoni Emhlophe. We want artists with huge social media following. Utaba lubhalwa nge-11 September 2025. Sunday World under isection ethi Shwashwe. Sofunda udaba lwensizwa Nyoni Emhlophe Tshali. Lufundeka kanje. The gloves are off. Maskandi star Mxolisi Nyoni Emhlophe Tshali unleashed sheer attack on the organizers of the Ugu Maskandi Festival, accusing them of sidelining him and spreading lies. The festival, set for September 27 at Ugu Sport and Leisure Centre in KwaZulu-Natal, boasts a star-studded lineup with Java, Phuze Chemist, Khuzani, Thandeni, Bahope, Naliwe, Nalet Apiwe, and more. But shockingly, Nyoni Mhlophe's name is nowhere to be found on the list. Earlier this week, Jali took to Facebook and explained that he had been snapped and would not be part of the event. Wants to clarify to fans, I never refused to be part of this event. I was never even contacted, and I was looking forward to performing, but instead I was snapped. It's painful because in the early days we were told to accept Little Man so the festival could grow. Now that is big, we are no longer invited. My guess is that my brand has become too small for this event. I'm not throwing shades at any event. I just wanted to clear my name because it looks to the public as if I'm the one who refused. But the drama did not end there. Festival spokesperson Melu Sikwele claimed Nyoni Mhlophe was left out because organizers wanted artists with huge media followings and also cited budget constraint. In a conference call, Kwela said, we've worked with Nyoni Mhlophe before, but this time around we wanted artists who can promote our event and also who have a huge following on social media. All the artists on the poster are currently marketing this event. Some of them were marketing it even last year. We also didn't have a budget to accommodate everyone. Unfortunately, Nyoni Mhlophe has failed to promote this event, but Charlie accused Kwele of lying. Accused organized of lying. I'm disappointed that you are lying in my face. It is not true that you were looking for artists with a huge following. I'm saying this because most artists on the poster have less following compared compared to me. Some don't even have a presence on social media. Otherwise, I'm challenging you to prove me wrong. The budget issue is not true because I've always paid less than 10,000. Other groups and artists were pocketing around over 20,000. Nonetheless, I've never complained because I wanted this event to grow. It is it is also not true that I failed to promote this event. Last year, you asked me and my colleagues to compose a promotional song for the Ukumaskana Festival, and we did. I had to drive from South Coast to Durban to record the song. My colleagues and I covered all the traveling costs, including the cost of recording the song in the studio. We came back and posted the song on the social media. You never paid us for marketing your event, and we never complained or asked for money because we knew we were promoting your event. So you cannot claim that I failed to perform your previous events. Kwela could not defend himself. He said, unfortunately, I cannot respond to Nyoni Mhlophe. I have to go. Kusho bani laphana insizwa yakaKhwela okuyiyona-ke organizer wale event. Seyifikile-ke leyo nto leyo okade wasekukhalwa ngayo ukuthi ngelinye ilanga iyoba inkinga. I-social media presence yabaculi njengoba yayipromotha noKhuzani kule micimbi edlulile kuyigcwalisa Spring Picnic, manje isiqala ukuba inkinga-ke, isazoba inkinga kakhulu futhi, hhayi indaba yokudlala. Not ukuthi uNyoni Mhlophe kumele bemgabhele ngenxa yalokho, kodwa Kubalulekile vele ukuthi abaculi nabaculi bebe nayo lento, kodwa bengaqashwa based on i-following, kodwa kubalulekile, uyabo, ukuthi umuntu ayinaki indaba ye-following, apromote, enze yonke indlela ukuthi ama-page wakhe umuntu online ayakhula. Kuzohamba kugcina iyona ndlela okusetshenzwa ngayo. Ngiyacabanga uyena mhlophe laphana ku-Facebook kunama-followers, if I'm not mistaken, around 71,000, if leliyana kuyipheji lakhe langempela, 71,000, okuyinto-ke engekho bad, kodwa okumele ukuthi athi ukuphusha kancane. Kunzima ukuthola ama-followers cause abantu bafuna ukwazi ukuthi yini abakulandelela yona, so amanye ama-challenges-ke lawo-ke abhekene nawo, kodwa ukuthi angaqashwa based on ama-followers, i-following, it's unfortunate, kuthanda ukuba yibhadi kancane lokho ukuthi ungaluza umsebenzi ngento enjengaleyo. Kodwa kuyohamba kuhambe vele kugcina sekuyinkinga lento, vele kuyalapha the way izinto ey'hamba ngakhona kuyabonisa ukuthi kuyogcina vele sekubhekwa indaba yama-influencer ye-following, cause kancane kancane iya-take over indaba followers, ukuthi unabantu abangaku-Instagram, ku-TikTok, ku-Facebook, ku-Twitter, kuzona zonke lezi ndaba ukuthi wenza kanjani. So nobani nobani, ngithi mina kubalulekile ukuthi noma yibani, noma yimuphi umuntu, shathi uwumuntu onormali, umuntu kanjani, ukuthi some sort of i-presence online ube nayo, uzikhandele i-profile. Kunabantu abaningi abaholayo abahlala nibabona-ke laphana ko-Facebook, benza amavidiyo, abanye beze bebathuke benyenyiswe ukuthi benza i-content usuku nosuku, utholukuthi abanye beze bebajelasele-ke, into esiyijwayele-ke lezo, ukuthi indlu emnyama kuhambe nje sibe ne-jealous out of the blue, okuyinto ebuhlungu-ke leyo. So abantu abazame indlela yokuthi beyikhulisele ama-page wabo, cause nabantu abanomali abangadumanga lutho bayakwazi ukuwakhulisa. Naye unyoni omhlophe mina ngizokucela nje ukuthi azame ngempela ukuthi athole indlela, angazi ukuthi iyiphi, athole indlela, maybe ukuphosta, angazi uzokwenza kanjani, ashere izinto ey'thize ey'balulekile, uyobona naye, kodwa kumele likhule lento, cause izokhulisa ngempela umsebenzi wakhe, izokhulisa ngempela. Maybe akusona isizathu esizothi bengamqasheli sona lesi, babheke ukuthi bangamgabha kanjani, kodwa-ke it is a valid reason ukuthi akhulise ama-pages wakhe. Nabanye abaculi befunde kule nto lena ukuthi hheyi, lento ingaze isishaye ngelinye ilanga, yithi nathi sizame ukuphusha ama-page wethu ukuthi akhule. Post, keep on posting, engage. Sometimes ubambe o-live, people they'll get used to you and bazokubona ukuthi ukhona available, uya-engage nabo. Ilokho nje kuphela, akukho okuningi, bekuyilokho-ke, kodwa sithembe ukuthi bayolulungisa lolu daba lolu, ngoba akuyona into enhle le ukuthi kungathiwa awuqashwe nxa ama-followers, i-following, kodwa-ke inyoni emhlophe-ke kuyomele ilungiseke for a future purpose, ukuthi in future nami ngagcina ngigaxele, ithi ngilungise iy'nto zami, ngilungise-ke iy'ndawo zama-page wami ukuze akhule. Sibonge ithuba, nisahle siyodibana ngokuzayo.